going to learn about the XOR circuits for Minecraft. So the first thing I'd like to go and do is just introduce myself. My name is Michael. I do not claim to be a Minecraft mastermind. However, I do like to share what I have learned. So the first thing that I have learned is nighttime sucks. Second thing I have learned, how to make the XOR circuit. It's very simple. It only requires a few blocks, 6 to be exact, in this shape here. As you can see, I have 3 in the back, 1 at the nose, 2 at the head, and we're going to fill that in with our various circuitry. Our first piece of circuitry is our torches. Redstone torch will go here. Redstone torch will go here. A redstone torch will go here. There. 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 And there. Finished product will look like that. After this, let's fill in the gaps with redstone dust. Not a steel door. Let's see here. This side will be our output. We'll have a door there in a few minutes. This here and here. As you notice, the redstone dust does connect to this here, to this torch, and to this torch. We're going to do the same thing for this side, to where the redstone dust does connect here, and it does connect here. I'll put one over there. As you notice, as I have filled in the gaps, these 2 torches have turned off, only because of the reverse current coming from these 2 torches and this torch. Next thing, we'll put one in the middle connecting those 2, and one right there. As you notice, that one is shut off as well. Next thing we will go ahead and do is we'll go and place our levers. For this example, let's pretend it's behind a wall. Here is our wall of grass. You can't see that lever, and you can't see that lever, but they still exist and they still will operate. Next step is we connect our levers. I chose a bad location for that one. There we go. And we will connect this lever. You notice distance is not an issue. If you're too far, just simply add a redstone repeater. One of my favorite things. Acts as a repeater, a capacitor, and a diode of some sort. So let's take a look here. So far this is what we have. We have 2 levers. We have 1 wall separating the levers, which is not required. That is completely optional. We have redstone dust to that brick, and we have redstone dust to that brick. We have 7 different redstone torches, 6 stone blocks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces of redstone dust on this end of the circuitry, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10, 11 on this end of the circuitry. Next, let's create the output. For this example, I will just use a simple piston. So let's take a look at our pistons. There they are. Put 1 piston with 1 block. For this, go ahead and watch the piston. Piston opens. Now let's take a look at the piston from this angle. Piston closes. The reason being is the Boolean expression XOR requires that there be no current from both. And if there is current from both, there will be no output. If there is no current from both, there will be no output. The only way to receive constant output is by changing one to either on or off, positive or negative, or changing the other, positive or negative. That is the XOR circuitry in Minecraft. If you have any questions, please comment. If you have any suggestions, please comment or message me. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.